Hello, Rosies. Welcome back to my channel. Today, both this uh, vacuum hose and also the vacuum unit itself. So the reason why I want to do it myself because charged me $300 just to do the vacuum and also regas. I've decided that I'm going to buy the tools that it's needed. But maybe the regassing, I'll give it to him. It's gonna cost me only $100 to fill up the whole thing. So normally when you buy a gas tank, it's gonna cost you around about $88 to $110. So it's the same thing. So what's what's the best way I can do to save money is to do it myself, to vacuum it. Just vacuum it. Just remove the gas that's in there, the condenser that's actually in my system, so that I can actually install a new AC compressor. Then after that, I'll just bring it to a friend of mine to regas. Okay, this is cost me $151 by Vborn. I bought this one 151. This is actually a um, four. It's an R1. Let me just write the one. It's R134. Okay, 134A. This is the thing that I bought it. It comes with an oil from the Beaver. This is what I've got. Okay, the delivery guy actually put it upside down. I don't know why he did that. Hopefully, it's not leaking for some reason. That's what I've got here. So yeah, at the moment I'm just connecting it, and I put some Teflon for that, just to make sure there's no leak coming in. When you do it, you only do it just one cycle, and that's about it. You don't do it twice or double the Teflon, because otherwise it's going to be so thick and you won't be able to you won't be able to put it in properly. Okay, so now I'm doing the second one. Just to let you know, because there's the two different type at the end. The other one's got bent, the other one's got straight. So the other one that is bent is actually connected here. Okay, connected both of both three of them are actually bended. So that's actually for this one on this side. The one that is straight is actually for the car connection. Okay, and that's all you need to do it. And just to save money, you can do it by yourself. All right, boss. Is just to give you an explanation. Um, it actually has an oil to fill it up. When you receive this one, it's an empty. There is actually a little bit in there, but more likely they come with vacuum oil, right? Uh, there's actually just to give you an idea of the Vivo product, is that it comes with the case and the hoses and the analog gauges, and also a hanger that you can put it on, and it comes with the unit itself. So it's $151. Normally it's 200 something, and it's now on sale. Now it comes with the instruction. If you look at it, it tells you here the Bibor, what we have here. Okay, and then when you turn to next page, it tells you what's it's in it. You always read the manual, okay, so that you don't confuse. At first I was confused with these two on here. One is the big that comes, it says oil. Okay, it says oil. Yeah, it says oil. And the other one also says oil. Okay, um, this one also represent oil. Okay, if you look into it, it also says oil. Okay, says oil as well, and this one is oil. So if you look at the manual, it's telling you. Okay, let me just highlight that one. It's telling you that it is pointing the two of them, the red and the blue lid, are actually oil fill caps. Means this is where you fill it up your oil. It's either on the red one or the blue one. Okay, and it tells you the diagram or what is named to it. There is actually a drain, as you can see. It tells you this oil drain, which is this one. Okay, which is this one is telling you it's an oil drain. All right. Okay, so it tells you everything there, what to do. Okay, um, yeah, and that's about you have to do it. It comes with an oil, so all we need to do now is to fill it up from to here. We open that one. Yeah, we open that and we fill it up that one. Okay, so once we fill it up, it tells you. I'll show you. It tells you maximum and minimum. So make sure when you fill it up, it has to be maximum. It also tells you here that after using it, you have to drain it, the oil. Okay, you have to drain the oil. So what it's saying is that um, you always change the oil after you use it. That's my understanding. That's what it's saying here. So I don't know how much exactly it costs with the vacuum pump oil, and maybe I will find out later on online. Yeah, if I run out, because it looks like they give you a full bottle of the oil, which is I don't know how much it's in here. So hopefully that should be enough for one car. Okay. Okay, bros. We're now going to fill it up the oil for this one, and we're now going to open this big lid with that one. This is bigger than this one, so it's better to put it in this side. Now I'm going to use this. Okay, this is actually clean. Hopefully this one is clean. It looks clean to me. I haven't been using it, I think. Okay, now I'm going to put that in here so that it doesn't spill. There is a thing in here. Now we need to okay, that's what we do. Okay, we can use without the here, or just to make it easier for us. So we need to monitor that is need to go to the maximum. Okay. See, it's now filling it up, so we just wait for that. Okay, again we're gonna do it again because not enough. Oops, there you go. So it's now filled up to a maximum. As you can see, it's gone to a maximum. Okay, so well, is it maximum? Yeah, looks like it's in maximum. Yep, it looks maximum to me. You can see it's the maximum. Right, so now we're going to close that. We have a little bit of an extra, as you can see. So yeah, that's totally close. Not sure if you need to click it. No. Okay, so that's the extra that we have for how many, I don't know how many liters this one, it doesn't say. Okay, maybe 100. It says 100, so it's 100 ml. Okay, that's what it is. All right, so now it's ready to use. Okay, I assume I think you can only use it as much as you can, as long as it's still clean. If it's dirty, then you have to drain it and buy this vacuum oil. This is a high performance. Okay, now it's ready to use. If you don't want to miss my video, make sure to ring that bell.
Say what?